how are you? I am Anisa Kazi. Today we are going to learn about chapter number 4 from class 7 science. The name of the chapter is heat. In previous standards we learned about different forms of energies. Heat also one of the important form of energy. We are getting large amount of heat from the sun. Sun is the biggest source of heat energy. You know very well that. Okay. Now see in this slide, there are two types of example they are given, and in book also they are given these two types of example. See, we are wearing woolen clothes in winter season, and we are wearing cotton clothes in the summer season. Why we are wearing dark color woolen clothes in the winter season? Because our body means for protecting our body from cold environment or the less temperature. Okay, and we are using light colored or white colored cotton clothes in the summer season um, for protecting our body from the hot temperature. At that time, what happen in the summer season? Our body is giving out a large amount of sweat, and what happen? These cotton clothes absorb this sweat and protect our body. In our day-to-day life also, we are using heat energy for cooking also, for heating water also, for different uh, for different uses we are using this type of heat energy. Now in this chapter we are going to learn about different types of thermometers. Why we are going to learn about different types of thermometers? Because by touching, by means by feeling, we these are not standard units of measurement. Okay, and when we are using thermometers, at that time we note down the exact temperature of that particular object. For that purpose only there are different types of thermometers are available in the market. Now first type of thermometer is the clinical thermometer. This clinical thermometer we are using in the clinics for measuring the body temperature of patient. Now which are the different parts of this clinical thermometer and how it can made? It is made by a narrow glass tube, and here one kink is present, and at one end one glass bulb also there. In that glass bulb mercury metal is present, and mercury, when we put this clinical thermometer in our mouth, automatically the level of this mercury increases from 35 degrees Celsius and above. Okay, and scale we are observing on this clinical thermometer from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. This is the first type of thermometer, and our general body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. See here with the red number we are observing 37 degrees Celsius. Okay, and second type of thermometer is laboratory thermometer. We are using this type of thermometer in science lab for doing science experiment, and particularly for measuring the temperature of water, and it can measure the temperature from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Okay, here also different parts of laboratory thermometer, and for laboratory thermometer we are using two types of thermometer. Mercury thermometer also we are using, and alcohol thermometer also we are using. Okay, here also one glass bulb is present, lower fixed point is there, upper fixed point is there, and this type of thermometer is also made by the glass tube. Okay, this is the second type of thermometer. Then third type of thermometer is minimum and maximum thermometer. We are using this type of thermometer for measuring the temperature of weather by weather forecasters. Okay, in this type of thermometer also we are using material mercury only, and the lower or the minimized level of temperature is minus 20 degrees Celsius, and higher level is 50 degrees Celsius. Means we measure temperature from minus 20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. Okay, this is about minimum maximum thermometer. Then next type is digital thermometer. It is sometimes difficult to handle mercury filled thermometer, especially when it breaks and the mercury falls out. What happen? Mercury is non-disposable material, means non-disposable metal, and it is risky to handle also, and it is risky for our health also. That's why nowadays we are using digital thermometer. This type of thermometer does not contain mercury. It directly displays the correct temperature on display screen. There is no other scale. Directly when we put this type of thermometer in our mouth, directly our body temperature, correct body temperature, it can choose. Okay, this is the fourth type of thermometer. Then different types of thermometers are also available. Many types of thermometers are also available in the market, but in our study, this is enough. Okay, then next part of this topic is the transfer of heat. Generally heat gets transferred from higher temperature to the lower temperature, or hot bodies to the cold bodies. Okay, but this is enough for today. Then the next part of this topic means the transfer of heat. There are types, means conduction of heat, convection of heat, radiation of heat. We are going to study in the, means we will discuss in the next period. Okay, this is enough for today. Thanks.